Is WBS still relevant for Agile product backlogs? Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It might still get built, but the chances of missing details or going off track are high. That's similar to managing projects without a clear scope plan. Today, we're exploring whether the traditional work breakdown structure remains useful when working with Agile product backlogs. A work breakdown structure is a detailed, hierarchical list of all the work needed for a project. It helps define what the project will deliver and organizes tasks into manageable parts. In traditional project management, it's used early on to plan scope, schedule, and costs. It makes sure nothing gets overlooked and everyone understands what's involved. On the other hand, an Agile product backlog is a constantly changing list of work items. It includes user stories, bugs, features, and technical tasks. The backlog is prioritized based on what delivers the most value and is regularly refined as the project progresses. Instead of planning everything upfront, Agile teams focus on delivering small pieces of value in short cycles called sprints. So, does the work breakdown structure still fit into this picture? The answer is yes, but with some adjustments. While Agile discourages rigid hierarchies, breaking down large features into smaller, manageable parts is still helpful. For example, a big feature like adding a payment system can be split into smaller user stories like set up payment gateway or create checkout page. These smaller pieces align with the WBS idea of decomposing work but are flexible and prioritized based on current needs. For complex projects, creating a high-level WBS can clarify the overall scope and major deliverables before filling the backlog. Think of it as a map that shows the big picture. Then, the team can focus on detailed work items that are ready for the next sprint. This approach helps avoid missing important parts while keeping the project adaptable. Many Agile teams organize work into groups like initiatives, epics, and user stories. These resemble a WBS but are more fluid. They evolve as the product develops, allowing teams to adjust priorities and scope as needed. The detailed breakdown happens just in time, focusing on what's most important for upcoming work. For project managers, using a WBS during project initiation helps set clear boundaries and expectations. As the project moves into execution, the backlog takes over, providing a prioritized list of tasks. Teaching teams to balance structure with flexibility ensures scope is clear without losing agility. In summary, the work breakdown structure is not outdated in Agile environments. It remains a helpful tool for defining scope and planning at a high level. The Agile product backlog then takes over to guide day-to-day work, allowing teams to adapt quickly. Combining both approaches gives project managers the skills to manage scope effectively while staying responsive to change. So yes, WBS still has a place, but it needs to be used in a way that complements Agile practices.